Welcome to our tax and accounting channel. Today we are going to talk about one of my favorite deductions for the small business owner, and that is the home office deduction. If you work out of a home office, this video is for you. My name is Gary Massey. I'm a CPA and the owner of a tax and accounting firm specialized in the needs of small businesses and small business owners. I help taxpayers to save taxes and stay out of IRS trouble. We're going to begin this discussion with talking about what qualifies as a home office. If you have a space in your home, whether you rent an apartment or you own your own home, and if that space is used as an office for your business, then you are entitled to a home office deduction as long as you meet all the rules. You have to use the space regularly for that office. That means you're not doing it once in a while, but in a very frequent way, you are working out of your office. You are using it exclusively as your home office. If you have an office in your basement, there's a separate room in the basement, or you're using a spare bedroom, that is fine for a home office. Your kitchen would not be fine because you also use it to eat. But if you have a desk in your living room and in that space where the desk is exclusive for your business, you don't have kids' toys there, you don't have a television set there, then that space where your desk is will meet the test of an exclusive home office and you would be entitled to a home office deduction. Furthermore, I also want to mention that if you have a space where you do administrative and management work, that would also qualify as a home office. So for example, if you're a plumber and you work out in the field the whole day doing plumbing work, but you come home at night and you do your accounting or bookkeeping or administrative work at your desk in your home office, that would qualify as a home office and you would be entitled to deductions for that. How do you calculate the home office deduction? There are two ways to do it. One is the ratio method, where we take the square feet of your office and the square feet of your whole home and multiply that by various expenses, including your rental expense, your homeowner's insurance or renter's insurance, utilities, telephone, internet, maintenance, and so on. The second method is the simplified method, which is $5 a square foot times the number of square feet of your office up to 300 square feet. And that is the calculation under the simplified method. You can choose whichever method gives you the best answer. Now I would like to talk about a few business situations and how it interacts with the home office rules that we have been discussing so far. If you are the owner of a single member LLC or limited liability company, you are entitled to a home office deduction for your expenses, and it is fairly straightforward. It goes on your Schedule C, and you can deduct it up to the amount of your net income from your LLC activity. If you are a partner in a partnership, you are also entitled to a home office deduction for the activity relating to your partnership interest. The answer is different if you are the owner of an S corporation. The owner of an S corporation is technically an employee of the corporation and therefore is not entitled to a home office deduction. However, there is a way around it in the situation where the S corporation adopts an accountable plan and then the business is able to reimburse the shareholder owner of the S corporation for the office expenses that they paid personally. We will be talking about accountable plans in another video. And then lastly, I want to mention those folks who are employees of companies. They are not entitled anymore to home office deductions. However, if they are working for a company that has an accountable plan, as we mentioned before, then they are entitled to reimbursement, tax-free reimbursement from their employer for home office expenses as well as other expenses relating to their employment that they have paid personally. I hope you have found this discussion of the home office deduction useful. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and we'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel. And also, if you have any questions or comments, leave them at the bottom. I read all the comments and I will do my very best to answer them. If you need more personalized attention to your tax matters, feel free to send me an email. You can click on our link to our website and follow that link to send us an email, or you're also welcome to give me a call my office and ask to speak to me personally, and I will be more than happy to chat with you about your tax issues. Once again, I hope you found this helpful. I wish you all the best, and I look forward to seeing you next time.